In this video, we're going to look at custom headers, what they're used for and when you might actually need them. Custom headers let you control exactly what we send along with the request when we check your URL. This is useful when your site or application expects certain headers in order to return the correct response. Here in the custom headers section, headers are entered in JSON format, for example, something like this. So in this example, we're sending an authorization header. This is really common if you're monitoring an authenticated endpoint, an internal dashboard, or an API. We're also sending an accept header, which tells the server what type of response we're expecting back. For example, JSON instead of HTML. The X requested with header is something a lot of applications and security layers look for. Without it, the request might be blocked or handled differently. And finally, cache control helps make sure the request isn't being served cached content by a CDN or intermediary. One important thing to be aware of here is that a custom header will override the user agent setting. So if you're using custom headers, make sure everything your application expects is included right here. You'd normally use custom headers when monitoring authenticated pages, monitoring API endpoints, working with sites behind WAF or a security layer, or when a site behaves differently depending on the headers sent. If your site works fine in the browser but fails when monitored, this section is often where the fix lives. Once saved, these headers will be included in every check for this test. And that's it. Custom headers give you full control over how the HTTP request is sent.